All right, well, we're all fed up. To find this sum, we're going to need those properties. Notice that we've got an I cubed. We'll need this formula. Also notice that we've got this I, so we're going to need another formula. Okay, well, let's get started. This will be the sum from 1 to 21 of I cubed. We'll take away, we've got to find that sum from 1 to 21 of I. We're going to take it away 9 times, or we'll find the sum and multiply by 9. If we use those two formulas, what we have is the number 21 squared times 21 and 1, or 22 squared, all over 4. We'll take away 9 times the number 21 times the number plus 1, all over 2. Notice where I got those formulas, again, for the I cubed and the I. So, let's follow the proper order of operations. Parentheses first, nothing but a number. Exponents come next. 441 times 484, all over 4. Then we've got 9 times 462 divided by 2. When we multiply our tops and divide by the number, we've got 53,361, take away 2,079. In the end, that sum is 51,282.